Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have some fun and draw a computer on chart paper. So let's get started. First things first, we'll draw the screen of the computer. It's like a square with a diagonal line across it. Then, we'll add two circles on the top and bottom for speakers. And let's not forget the mouse. Just a simple rectangle should do the trick. Moving on to the back of the computer, we'll draw a vertical line in the middle and then two smaller lines on either side. These smaller lines represent cables connecting to various devices. Next up, let's add some extra features to our computer. On the left side, we'll draw another square for a card reader, or perhaps an extra port for some cool gadgets. On the top right corner, let's add a small rectangle for an HDMI port or any other additional features you might want to include. And finally, on the bottom right corner, let's draw another small rectangle for another port or connection. And there you have it. You now know how to draw a computer on chart paper. I hope you enjoyed this little project as much as I did. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun content like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.